Hey guys, just want to come at you again. We got Mr. Randy here, and he was just explaining to me basically how well he's doing, and I wanted to share it with you guys because someone out there might benefit from this experience. So, Randy, how's chiropractic helped you? Here's your microphone.
Chiropractors helped me out good. I twisted my back real bad. I was with a walker, barely walking. I come in here. Within a day, I was upright walking again. I was still sore, but now I'm doing a lot better. That I've come a number of times, and you straightened me out.
And I have to say, you've been a pretty compliant guy, but you went away for a little bit.
Yes.
He's come back. We got him right back on track, and we're following a plan. So, yeah, we recommended a plan. That's kind of what we do. You're only a third of the way through, and literally, guys, he was in it literally a walker or one of these things. So, and your biggest thing is you got to use your body to work, and I remember the biggest. And your biggest goal was you got to work, right?
Yeah, I got to work. I lift heavy stuff all day long, and so I need to have my back in good order.
Awesome. Well, hey, onward, upward. Now we're going to get it corrected permanently. So thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.